If you want to share your mobile phone data with your Chromebook, then this video is for you. Hey, in this video, I'll show you how you can connect to a mobile hotspot on your Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. First of all, you have to turn on mobile data on your smartphone, then turn on the hotspot feature. This will allow you to share your mobile data with your Chromebook. Once you have enabled hotspot, click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon to access the quick settings. Here, simply click on this Wi-Fi icon, turn on the Wi-Fi, and it will search for your mobile hotspot network. So here I have my mobile phone hotspot network. I'll simply select it. Here you have to enter your mobile hotspot network password. Then click on connect, and it will get connected to your mobile hotspot. Now you are ready to use internet on your Chromebook using your mobile phone. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.